This session's test prep problem is a writing test prep problem. More specifically, it's about combining sentences into one sentence. There's a few things you want to keep in mind when doing this. You want to make sure that the new sentence is as concise as possible. That means use as few words as possible. Secondly, you want to make sure that the meaning of the new sentence is the same as the original sentences. Now we're going to go through each of these answer choices, explain what's wrong with them, how we could fix them, and then of course point out the correct answer. You want to combine these two sentences. The mayor of Creeksville attended a meeting today. The meeting was about the possible need of repaving city roads. Answer choice A. About whether or not to repave city roads, the mayor attends a meeting today. Right off the bat, it says the mayor and not the Creeksville mayor. The fact that it's the Creeksville mayor is probably some important information. We also have a prepositional phrase, and about whether or not to repave city roads. It looks like this prepositional phrase is attached to the mayor, but in reality it should be attached to meeting. This means make sure that the prepositional phrase is put after the word meeting. That way it makes sense. So it would say the mayor attends a meeting about whether or not to repave city roads. Go on and attach Creeksville to the mayor, and you have a good answer choice. Answer choice B. The mayor of Creeksville attended a meeting today, and the meeting was about whether or not city roads should be repaved. To start off with, the of Creeksville that's next to mayor should not be in commas, because the of Creeksville is clarifying who the mayor is and its relevant information. And usually we put irrelevant information or extra information within commas to signify that it's not necessarily needed, but it can go there. So let's go on and get rid of those commas to correct its answer choice a little. We also have an issue here. Meeting today, the meeting. We've combined the two sentences together, but there should be a comma after the word today, because these are two complete thoughts. The mayor of Creeksville attended a meeting, and the meeting was about whether or not city roads should be repaved. So put a comma there to signify linking those two complete thoughts with a conjunction. We also have a bit of a conciseness issue. We have the meeting here and meeting there, and that's a little redundant having both. So you want to get rid of either this meeting or that meeting, and in the current state, we cannot get rid of either in this answer choice. Therefore, of course, this is not a correct answer. C. A repaving city roads meeting happened today. The mayor attended this meeting. There's a few things incorrect about this answer choice. To start with, mayor. As we established, it's not just mayor, but it's the Creeksville mayor. And as we said, that's important information, so we want to make sure we say Creeksville mayor or mayor of Creeksville. Also, this is one big long run-on sentence. A repaving city roads meeting happened today. The mayor attended this meeting. We have to have some type of punctuation here. We could put a period there, which is similar to what we started with over here, but that's not combining the sentences. So we'd probably do what we did in the previous one and kind of put a comma and say and. So add Creeksville to mayor to correct that part. And of course put the comma and the and after today and correct that part. And we have a decent answer choice. But it's still not as concise as the test probably wants. D. Creeksville mayor attended a meeting about the possible need of repaving city roads. This is a good answer choice. It has the Creeksville part, which we've been missing in some of the answer choices, and as we established, that's important information. It's also very concise, contains the same information as the original two sentences. It tells us what the meeting is about. It's about the need of repaving city roads. It's not redundant. It doesn't mention the meeting a couple times. So overall, this is the best answer choice in the ones that we have because it checks all the boxes. Good punctuation, conciseness, and all the relevant information from the original two sentences.